How to fix Instagram birthday error on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First you go to settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, then click apps. This one is for Android phones. Type here Instagram, click on it, then go to permissions, give it all of those permissions here, and go to data usage. Make sure background data and roaming data is enabled, and also mobile data. Now click force stop and then go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix it, now it means that you need to change your birthday from your Facebook. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.